Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Ray from DIY Nation. Guys, got an installment for the BMW R1300 GSA. Listen, this part right here, all right, I just replaced. Now, this is a quick video, very easy upgrade. If you guys bought the basic, it's not even basic, but the red model, racing model, you know when we bought these, we get this type of side panel without the hooks. Aftermarket parts are now hitting the market and you're able now to upgrade this. I wasn't sure it was gonna work, but as you can see, it's mounted and it looks pretty good. So this is just an eye candy for you guys who want information. If you're interested in upgrading your side panels with the hooks, for now you can add the bags, you can do it. Check out the affiliate link of this particular part. That link is affiliate to this channel. Please use that link. It does support the channel and I greatly appreciate that you do use that link. Guys, I'm gonna put up some side-to-side comparison of this part and this part. And just overall, my first impression, it's workable. It's workable. It's not as thick as the manufacturer, but it's only so slightly. You really can tell the difference between the two parts. All right, so again, if you're looking to upgrade your side panels, you can do it now at more reasonable cost than the BMW price tag. So this is pretty much an eye candy. Just want to show you guys, give some information, show you how it looks. Very easy to do. The 3 screws comes off. They have the part that actually has the hook on. Pop it in, put this over, screw it back in, and you're done. And this is the final look. I like it. Now I can get the side bags that of my choice to put up here for just extra storage. All right, so again, if this was helpful, you like this type of content, please consider like, subscribe, check out the affiliate link of this particular part. It is affiliate, it does support the channel, and I'll just see you on the next one. Let's go. Alright guys, this is very simple. Again, all you're going to take is a T25. You're just going to remove these 3 screws. Oops, let's tighten it. Let's take it back the other way. Take the manufacturer piece off. And you're going to take your aftermarket, and there's a little clip here. And when you look at it, there's a little hole right here that this is going to slide right in. So tilt it in, pop it in. And that's simple. Now it is going to protrude slightly out, and I thought that would be a concern. Don't even worry about it. All right, it's not an issue, and you're just going to replace it with your new cover. Very simple upgrade. You're going to use the existing screws, and if you want to say anything negative about this, is that you got silver screws on here, right? If that's a negative. Really, it doesn't matter to me, because if you're putting saddlebags on this or some type of side bags, you're not going to even see the screws. And that's simple, and your upgrade is done. Tell you the truth, I'm very happy with this upgrade. I wasn't a fan of the silver ones, and I really don't understand why BMW just didn't give all the models with this feature. But you're now able to upgrade it at a reasonable price. It does work. It seems sturdy, and again, you're not loading this down extremely, but again, it gives you extra storage if you want to put bags up there, which I am. All right, so guys, again, if this is helpful, please consider like, subscribe, and I'll see you out there on the road. Be safe and happy holidays.